All right, my favorite third graders, guess what? Only one reading workbook page today. So, little gift for you, right? So we are doing our vowel sounding that we hear in joy, and that can either be spelled with the O-I, those words are going to go on this side, or the O-Y, they're going to go on this side. So I usually tell you if there are any spots that we don't need to fill in. We're actually filling in all of the left side, and that includes one challenge word down here, okay? And then on the OY sound, we are going to be only having 4. 1, 2, 3. The challenge word goes on the 4th line, and then you get to X out all these under here. Bonus, right? And I don't think I'm going to help you with this page at all because I want to see how you can do it on your own. Just finding those OI words and those OY words. So it's going to be a very short video. And then the challenge words, just you are already putting those in because we've already got our C's up there. So you can ignore that part down there. And you are off to the races. Thanks, guys.